Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Hello, Sarah. It is so good to see you.
Hi, Adam. It is great to be here.
Sarah, I have a small problem today.
Oh, what is the problem, Adam?
I am bored of one specific phrase.
Let me guess. Is it, how are you?
Yes, exactly. Everyone says it every day.
I agree. It is very common.
Is it wrong to use it?
No, it is not wrong at all.
Then why does it feel boring?
Because native speakers have many other ways.
Really? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Well, it depends on the place.
Okay, let us talk about work first.
At work, we want to be professional.
Right. So what do you say there?
I usually say, how is everything going?
How is everything going? I like that.
It sounds very natural and active.
Does it work for a boss too?
Yes, it is polite, but not too formal.
What about seeing a friend at lunch?
Oh, that is much more relaxed.
What is your favorite greeting for friends?
I always say, what's up?
What is up? Does that need an answer?
Usually we just say, not much.
Haha, that is very short and easy.
It is. It keeps the conversation moving fast.
Sarah, tell me about your day yesterday.
Well, I met a new neighbor yesterday.
Did you say what is up to her?
No, that would be too casual.
So what was your choice then?
I said, have you been?
How have you been? That sounds very kind.
It shows you care about their life.
Did she feel comfortable talking to you?
Yes, it really helped to break the ice.
Break the ice. I love that.
It is a very useful phrase, Adam.
We must explain it to our listeners later.
We will, but first, let's practice.
Yes, I want to hear them speak.
Me too. This is the best part.
Sarah, what is the sentence for today?
We will practice a professional greeting.
Perfect. Listeners, are you ready to work?
Please repeat every sentence after me. Speak clearly and follow my speed. We will start very short now. How is it going? How's it going? Now, let's make it longer. How is it going with your work today at the office? How's it going with your work today at the office?
That was a long one.
They did a great job, Adam.
I can feel their confidence growing now.
Practice makes everything better and easier.
Sarah, let us go back to your story.
You mean my new neighbor?
Yes, you said you had to break the ice.
Right. That's our idiom for today.
What does it mean in simple words?
It means to start a conversation.
Like when people don't know each other?
Exactly. It makes everyone feel more relaxed.
Is it like breaking actual ice?
No, Adam. It's about the feeling.
The cold feeling of silence.
Yes, you break the silence with words.
That is a very beautiful way to think.
It is. Use it when you meet strangers.
I want to break the ice.
Yes, or that joke broke the ice.
I will try to use it tomorrow.
You should. It makes you sound very smart.
Ha, I hope so, Sarah.
Well, our snack is almost finished today.
Oh, time flies when we are learning.
It really does. I enjoyed this, Adam.
Me too. Thank you for the tips.
You are very welcome. Anytime.
Before we go, I have a request.
What is it, Adam?
I want our listeners to join us.
Yes, please subscribe to Snack English.
And don't forget to like the video.
It helps us make more snacks for you.
What should they do in the comments?
Write one new greeting you learned today.
That's a great idea. I will read them.
I will read them too.
Thank you for listening to us today.
Keep practicing and keep speaking every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Have a wonderful and happy day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.